So now we understand that in situations where the potential in our problem is not itself changing in time, we can simply calculate what is going to happen in time with our quantum mechanical state. The point we are now at is that we have just proved that the following process should work. We take the state we have now, we decompose it into a superposition of the energy eigenstates, we let those eigenstates evolve in time with their complex exponential factors, and we add up the result. Now we're going to look at that time evolution process with some important examples. We will use two of the problems we've already solved, the particle in a box and the harmonic oscillator. We're going to start them off in specific superposition states, and we will see what happens.